friends, I'm back, and today we will do the third step of how to solve a 3 by 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. So let's start. In our last step, we had made the cross, or you can say plus, of the white. Now we have to make the whole side of the white and the first layer of these four colors. Now first we will find the top corner like this. Now as you can see, red is at a side of it. So red is already with its own color. Now we will move the right part here and do the step. In the before videos, there was no use of the algorithms. Now we will use the algorithms. So R, U and R prime. Now the same thing we will do from this side. L, U prime, L prime. Now this much white has been made. Here, to take this up side, we will do R, U, R prime. Now green is at its side, so we will take green here by moving these two. Now R, U, R prime. Now to take this white on the top corners, we will do L, U2 and L prime, then R, U and R prime. Now we will do the same step again by R, U and R prime. Now let's see. A white has also been completed and the first layer of these four colors has been completed. This was a third step. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like my videos, share my videos, and bye bye.